Welcome to Sharon's Kitchen for You, brought to you by Sohosphere.
When I cook, you cook
Just like that. Yes, Mom. So today's menu, tell me about it.
Today's menu is Ital is Vital, Rasta style.
Okay, Mom, I got one thing to say.
What?
Shabbat. So, Mom, tell me a little bit about your ingredients and about the benefits that we have. So let's start with the eggplant.
So we have the eggplant, we have tomatoes, we have the bell peppers, the scallions.
And the eggplant is really good for your LDL, which is your bad cholesterol, to lower that down. Yep. And then we have
the chickpeas, which is a great source of protein to replace meat.
Okay.
So you don't necessarily have to have meat like chicken or pork or whatever on your plate. Though the chickpeas is very important, is a vital source of protein to replace the meat.
Okay, and then we have our green bell peppers, and we have our garlic, and we have Mari peppers. You don't really get this at your local supermarket, but you certainly can search around for a few other supermarkets, more like the Indian supermarkets and maybe Mediterranean, Middle Eastern supermarkets. You certainly will get Mari peppers.
And to go with this dish, we're gonna make some roti.
Okay.
Indian style
Oh,
roti.
yes, we love the roti. And you gotta do it the right way, Mommy. We gotta use our hands when we eat the roti.
Yes, we have to.
You gotta eat with your hands. You can't use with knife and fork.
It makes the food taste sweeter too.
Yes.
It sure does. So let's get into the making of the roti.
Okay, so Mommy, what is this?
So this here is flour.
Okay.
With water. Baking powder.
This is for the roti?
This is for the roti. This is the roti dough. And I rubbed a very little vegetable oil.
Okay.
While I was kneading it. So now we're gonna dust the surface. Because after mixing this, we set it aside for like 20 minutes.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna dust the surface.
And you set it up for 20 minutes so that it can rise?
So not necessarily rise, but so that it can sit.
Okay.
And then we put it onto the surface of the... All right, you just thing it in a little, work your hands.
Okay, work it, girl.
Work your hands.
Work it, Sherry,
because you don't want it to stick to the surface.
Work it, Sherry, work it. So, Mom, you gotta do a little dance with it. Work it, Sherry, work it. And how many pieces are you gonna cut up here now?
I don't want a whole lot. So
okay.
We're just gonna make.
Right now you have 6.
How many we're gonna get from this? Should get
so with your mixture, you might be able to get 10.
Yeah.
With the mixture, you're about to get 10.
2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. So now we're gonna get the rolling pin. Right.
And you wanna flour the rolling pin. Flour the rolling pin. Okay.
And we set a little flour to the side.
This is really cool, Mom. You know, I always enjoyed your roti, but I never knew how you make it. Yeah, no.
And then we're gonna you're not gonna roll this all the way out.
Okay.
We're gonna roll it.
Okay.
Roll.
And it has to be a certain shape?
It's supposed to be round.
Okay.
But sometimes you lose the touch of that, but it's okay.
So you're putting a little oil on it, right? To cover the entire surface of that. Okay.
The entire surface.
Okay. And then she's going to make a nice slit.
And then I'm going to make a slit with the back of a knife.
Okay, but only halfway, right? Only halfway. Okay. And then slowly, you're turning it in. You're folding it in, right? Okay.
Because this is going to make it soft when you clap the roti.
Okay.
That's what it's going to do. So it becomes nice and flaky.
Okay.
Set it to the side.
That's nice. Last one.
The last one. Then we're gonna set this to the side for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. 15
and then we're gonna bake it on top of the stove.
Okay.
The clapping part is gonna be very interesting. All right, so now we're ready to bake the roti on top of the stove.
Mom's gonna take that dough now that we originally had and roll it out.
And bake
then
it on top of the
she's gonna
stove.
then bake it. Okay.
On top of the stove.
And Mommy, remember, you gotta do this slow because I want everybody to learn this process, including me. Okay.
The stove is on medium heat.
Okay.
So we have the pan that we're gonna use. So right now the roti is being baked.
Okay.
With the oil.
And every time I see the flour, it's rising up like a bubble.
Right.
What are you doing?
Because it has baking powder in it. Not a lot to make it soft.
Right.
So what I'm doing as it bakes is flatten
So
the edges.
So the baking powder is helping the dough
rise.
to
rise.
Got
as
it.
you cook. And the reason why we're clapping it once it's done on both sides, right?
Yep.
The reason why we're gonna clap is so that it can become nice and soft and flaky.
Okay, wow.
That's
is
what
there
we
a
do.
certain technique with your clapping?
No.
Okay, so you just clap it.
I just clap.
You throw it up in the air and you clap it.
Some people do it. Some people flip it and clap it.
But it's similar to like, you know, when I make bread and the bread rises, I punch it. Because you're punching out of the air, and that helps it get softer.
Yes, the same thing.
Okay,
same
so that's kind of same concept,
thing.
except you're clapping it up in the air.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
So the air can come out, and you make it nice and soft.
I can't wait for you guys to try this out. Please do it at home. Please do it at your friend's house so it's an interactive type of thing. Definitely enjoy yourself because we've had a great time and I hope you enjoyed watching. All right.
Lovely.
There's so much flavor in that roti.
And the eggplant.
And the chana.
And the chana.
You did a really good job. We did a good job together, Mom. High five.
Sure did.
This is super good.
Kiss and say bye for now.
Bye for now. We'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching our Ital is Vital episode brought to you by Soho Spheres. Cheers.
Cheers for now. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.